The circle. The perfect shape. It has no beginning and no end. Infinite. It is the shape of the windows of our souls and how we see the world. Of course, our circle goes beyond a tire. It starts with our American workers in Buffalo, New York. Workers that proved that they were not just essential to our brand, but to our nation. Our circle includes the thousands of locally owned power sports dealers around the country, small businesses who have supported the sport of motorcycling for years and need your support now more than ever. Finally, our circle includes our loyal customers who have practiced distancing on two wheels for generations, but are ready to get back to doing it on their own terms. The American worker, the family-owned dealer, and the American motorcyclist. That's our circle. Find out how Dunlop is supporting the circle and getting you back on the road on your terms.